Hi, it's Tequila Friday from the Sucre French Library. I'm here to do a tutorial on how to make Red, the angry bird. And we'll do one on him too, but it may be two separate segments. So what you will need is some red felt and some white and some black as well, because that will be Red's eyes. I also need some cotton batting and a black marker. Okay, so I pre-cut my pattern and I drew this out, so hopefully we can attach it to a link somewhere so that you have the size that it should be. So the first thing I'm going to do, because you also need some thread to sew, is take about an arm's length. We're going to do what's called a running stitch, which will gather the material. So thread my needle. And then I'm going to start with the running stitch by poking it in the side and just kind of going back and forth. And what that will do is it'll gather the material. I know the other thing that I realized I forgot to mention is you will need a glue gun and glue sticks as well in order to glue on the beak and the white spot on Red's tummy and his feathers on top of his head and his eyes. So I'm just continuing to gather. I'll look closer to the camera so you can see. Working it in, coming up, in and out. Oops. As you can see, it's already starting to gather really nicely. See if I can get a little bit closer to the camera here so that you can see my stitching. I'm just kind of catching it with the needle. And I'm back where I started from. I'm going to pull this all the way through, and there I have a nice little gathered piece. And then what I'm going to do is take my cotton batting, make a nice snowball size, tuck it into the material that we've gathered up. I might have to pause because I'm already at 4 minutes. And then we pull it tight. And I am back, and we are making Red the angry bird. So we've just put the cotton in. We are pulling this piece tight. And then what I'm going to do is run the stitches. Again, I'll get close to the camera here. Kind of run it back and forth so that we close the space and keep the cotton inside our little angry bird. Oops. So I'm just kind of going back and forth. And what I want to do is tie a knot here by pushing the needle through and then taking this loop. So this will tie it off. And then the next step is to put on Red's face. Just kind of like this, squish it about. Okay, so I have some orange fun foam here that I'm going to draw a beak with a felt marker. Cut that out. Fold it in half. There's a little beak. These were cut from white felt. These are going to be his eyes. And so I want to kind of line it up like this. That's where I'm going to glue. This is his tummy patch. And then right there is where the beak will go. So I'm going to use my hot glue. That's what he looks like right now. Putting on his beak. And then I've cut two little black dots from black felt. Oh, they look a little big. Should have made them smaller. And then I'm gonna take black felt and cut two angry angry eyebrows. Okay, we're back to finish Red. Just putting Red's angry eyebrows on. And then I had also cut two feathers for Red as well. Pulling that to the top. And there, we've got an angry bird ready to be launched at some little piggies.